already told about how to create the windy texture in the background like this. I hope you remember. Now I'm going to teach you about a very essential and a very amazing fact. Do you know it's not only the brushes that we use to create a painting, but we use sponges and even the buds. These are the buds. I've made a bundle of it like this. And even these buds can create a great amazing painting. Do you know that? I hope all the kids are going to love this because it's a great idea for them to create and love their art. Just look at this. These are buds, simple buds, which we already have in our home at our own ease. And all the children would love to paint with this. So let's get started. First of all, we'll take a brush. I have taken number 7 brush. It's a simple brush which is available in all the art stores nearby. And I'm going to just squish it off in a little bit of water like this in a glass jar and take off the extra water, all the extra water, because we need more of the paint in this. And I have taken this black color, and this black color is simply to create something. You know, it's simply a mount. It's simply a mount like this. You just hold your brush and you just have to take a little bit of black and create a mount out of it. It's just a mount. Whatever, in whichever way you feel it is easy for you, you can create it. See, I have this mount, and now I'm going to create a tree. See, this is the mount that I have created. You can create grasses also if you want. Now I am going to teach you how to create a simple magical tree. This brush is a number 7 brush, and this brush, a flat brush. I am going to create these branches here. Can you see how beautiful it looks? Everyone can make this. So you just have to be a little easy on yourself. Relax at your home and try to create this beautiful, amazing painting. Just look at the branches. It's simply a simple stroke, and this is simply amazing. Now after we create this, we are just going to use this simple buds. Now these simple buds, see, you just have to use this flat brush, and if you want to use a round brush, that will do. It simply depends on you how you want to create your own thing. Now you just have to create these branches. Just relax and be confident on yourself. Don't worry how you are creating. Whatever you create is amazing, simply amazing. Just think about that, and I know you are just going to create a beautiful tree. Now these are the branches, and after we are done with the brush, again I keep on telling you that you should be very particular about your belongings, and that's the brush. The brush is the major thing in any canvas painting. So we need to squish it off and take off the water and then clean it and keep it aside.